Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you guys top 5 things that you can do to avoid getting demonetized. I was demonetized from YouTube in 2016. I think that was my last payment. I'm going to post the screenshot. And it was really, I was sad, because I was like, what the heck, what is going on? But also I know that there was mistakes that I made that caused that to happen. And I've been working like the past 2 to 3 years trying to fix that. So I'm sharing this stuff with you guys so you guys can avoid it. Okay. So 2016, was interesting, because after getting demonetized, in 2017, I met my husband. I had my son, and I'm telling you, like, just adjusting to motherhood really affected me to the point where I took a break from YouTube for almost a year and a half. Now, I was posting here and there, but a lot of the content I was posting really just did not have the sauce, and it was like not getting me a lot of views and all that stuff. And I tried to post like motherhood content, and those didn't really do that well. And also I noticed, like, when I was looking at my subscribers, it kept going down, and it was so weird. Like, I could see the numbers just dropping and dropping, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is happening? So after a while, I figured out, okay, these are the things that I did wrong. So here they are. One of the first things is being consistent. I know everybody says that, but you have to post on here a lot. If you're really trying to grow your channel, you need to post a lot. There's celebrities on here. There's people that are earning an income on here. So they are bringing it. Okay, so you need to bring it too. You need to clock in because this is a job. So I was not consistent for almost a year and a half. That year and a half, it really took my whole channel down, really. And I've been spending time kind of deleting the old videos because really the algorithm is not picking a lot of them up because they were not the best. And also, just in general, like they were mixed all over the place. I was a college student, I would come home and record on my little webcam, and so I just have been spending that time cleaning it up and really trying to bring content that people really want to watch now, and stuff like that. So yeah, be consistent. If you're not consistent, the algorithm is not going to pick you up. You're not going to get subscribers and all that. And then before you know it, your channel is going to go downhill and you will get demonetized. Okay, the next thing is engagement. Now, I've been excellent at engaging with people. If you leave a comment, I'm right on it, answering it. If you have a video request, I try my best to do that video and stuff like that and communicate back and forth with people in the comments. Now, one thing I want to do better is to go live. I know that would definitely help a lot. But you need to engage, don't be somebody who gatekeeps products. And if people ask you a question, nothing is in the description box, like you say, and you're just not really responsive. And you, for example, block comments and you don't even answer people. And you're just like, it's all about money. Like, you do your video and then block comments and go about your life. Like, really try to be responsive to people. Even on social media, if they're following you there, if they have a request, they have comments, try to respond. If they're requesting videos, like, try to do them, and stuff like that. So I'm good at this, but I want to say that some people are not, and they really do not engage a lot with their subscribers. And they're just kind of like, I'm here to make my money, I don't care, and stuff like that. So really avoid that. Okay, the third thing is videos. You have to bring videos that people want to watch. Videos that are entertaining, because we're going through a lot right now. People want to laugh and get away from their everyday life. Videos that are informational, videos that help people learn something, and stuff like that. Videos that people really want to watch to the end, because that's really important for watch time. So you really want to bring videos that are really, really useful, helpful, and things like that. Don't just post just whatever, try to bring those videos that are of quality, and don't just, jump on trends and like post whatever just to catch on, because it's just a different time, and YouTube has rules. YouTube is stricter, and YouTube is really, really paying people. So they really want you to bring it. Okay, I'm talking to myself. Number 4, this is one of my biggest downfalls. I know that for my channel. It was, oh my gosh. I was recording on a webcam for many years. My lighting was horrible. The place where I was living, like, the room was not it. Okay. Aesthetics were not it. Okay. But I was just excited to record at the time. So now I know that, that lighting is everything, whether it's a ring light or just mini lights, you need to have light. People have to be able to see you. If they can't see you and see what you're doing, nobody's going to watch, and you're going to get demonetized. All right. Number 5 is clickbaiting. A little clickbait here and there is not bad, but your titles, thumbnails have to match, and things that you have in those titles and the thumbnails, they have to be in your video. So you can't post a video of your cat dancing and title it 30 ways to lose 30 pounds. And, you know, I have a thumbnail of you showing how you lost weight before and after, and then people click and find a dancing cat. They're really gonna be mad, and they're gonna be like, you are this. And if you keep doing this over and over on your channel and people catch on that this is what it is, you're doing stuff mainly for views, they will unsubscribe, they will block you, they will start talking about you all over social media and say how tired of them they're with you and you posting this dancing cats and lying and blah 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 blah. People will get fed up with you and just leave, and you lose all those people and you lose all your watch time and all that. Before you know it, you're getting demonetized. So don't do it, okay? So yeah, those are the top 5 things that I definitely did some of them wrong, and I'm definitely working on fixing them. But I hope that you listening to me, you don't do the same thing. So if you ever take a break, let people know what's going on with your life, or update somewhere else, maybe on another social media platform, have the best lighting. I'm not saying spend a lot of money on that, but the lighting is really crucial because people have to be able to see you. It's a visual platform. Don't clickbait, okay? Don't clickbait to the point where the videos have nothing to do with what you're titling them as and the thumbnails. And be consistent, and please engage with people. If people have comments, people have requests, listen to what they're saying and stuff like that, and try to be, you know, just give them what they want, because that is the hope. And those are the people that support you, you know. So at the end of the day, and also just be thankful. Just be thankful to them, and just appreciate them. And so one of the ways I'm going to try to do that is to be live more often, to kind of communicate with people, because I haven't really done that. So I'm going to be a little more trying to go live on this channel and let's see how that works out. So that way you guys can communicate with me. And also I forgot to mention, I changed my channel name to Fashionluvbee. I've been using Fashionluvbee for a while now, for like the past 2 years on other social media platforms. So I was like, why don't I just change my channel to that? I do love fashion, so why not? So here we are. I hope all this information was really useful for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.